Salam Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about subtraction. Okay? From your activity book, page number 28. Third class activity book, volume 1 beta. Activity book, volume 1, page number 28. See here, do the following single digit subtractions. Do the following single digit subtractions. See here, 8 minus 2. Very simple beta. What I am saying, listen carefully. Single digit means it has only one place, that is ones place. While you are doing subtraction problems, you can go towards to right to left side, means ones place to tens place. But here only single digit. How you can do it? See here, 8 minus 2 means you can count 2 after up to 8. Up to 8. 2 తర్వాత నుండి 8 వరకు మనం కౌంట్ చేయాలి. See here, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many you can got? Can you got 6? So you can write 6, difference is equals to 6. Now next, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. See here, you can count 1 after up to 4. 1 after 2, 3, 4. What we get? 3. Difference is equals to 3. Next, 3 minus 2. You can count after 2 up to 3. After 2 up to 3. So here 2 after 1, 3. So you can get 1. Next, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 means you can count after 5 up to 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can got 4 fingers. So write down 4. That is the difference. So remaining problems you can do. Now next, subtract the following. Second bit. Second bit. Subtract the following. See here, 12 minus 7. So here you can count directly. 12 minus 7. So here 12 minus 7 means it has 2 methods. See here, 12 minus 7. First we subtract ones place digit. Next we subtract tens place digit. See here, ones place digit 2. And 2 is the ones place digit. It can be write down top of the ones place column. 7 is also the ones place digit. So you can write bottom of the ones place column. Now first we do this. 2 minus 7. Actually 2 minus 7 means 2 is less than 7. So top of the number bigger. So here see, 9 minus 5 means this is ones place top of the number 9. So 9 bottom of the number 5. So 9 is greater than 5. So you can do very easily. What we get? 4. But here 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. Actually what we have to do, you can take borrow from 1. 1 is in tens place. So 1 is in tens place means it can give borrow to 2. How much you given? And this to the, So it can give 10 plus 2 is added to it. What we get? 12 beta. So 1 is borrowing 2 to 10. So here 2 is already write down. Now 2 is added to 10, you can get 12. So now 12 minus 7. You can count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. Now 1 is borrowing 2, so it can last 1. 1 minus 1, you can get 0. So 0, 5. 0, 5 means 5. So here you can do without borrowing means you can do direct only 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 means you can count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we get beta? 5. So next 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. See here, you can do two methods. Now I am saying first method 16 minus 8. You can do directly. See 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can get 8. So now next second method. See, you can see here 16. Listen carefully. 16 minus 8. See. While doing subtraction problems, first we subtract the digits in ones place. So this is the ones place digits, this is the tens place. So here ones place digits, 6 is in top of the ones column, 8 is in bottom of the ones column. So you can write top only 6 in ones column and you can write below 6. Means under 6 you can write 8. So 6 is less than 8. 6 is less than 8. Possible? So this is the smaller number, this is the bigger number. So it is not possible. What we have to do? You can take borrowing from tens place. So tens place it can give to borrow to 6, 10 plus 6 added. What we get beta? 16. So here 1 is borrowing giving to 6, it can last 1. 1 minus 1 you can get 0. Then 16 minus 8. You can count 8 after up to 16. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what we get beta? 8. So you can write 8. Means in tens place 0. So there is no number, you can write 0. 0, 8 means 8. See? Did you understand what is the difference? This is the first method, you can do directly. This is the second method. But you can do always, this method is correct. Now next 19 minus 9. Actually you can do directly 9 after you can count up to 19, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10. See here 10. But another way is there. So listen carefully. 19 minus 9. So this is the ones place, this is the tens place. In ones place having 2 digits above and below. So this is the top, this is the bottom of the ones column. So here 9 minus 9. Any number is subtracted from itself. Means 9 minus 9 you can get 0. 2 minus 2 you can get 0. 3 minus 3 you can get 0. 4 minus 4 you can get 0. Like this. 2, 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Means 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Then 9 minus 9, 0. You can get 0. Next, we have to go to tens place. So here 1 is given. So there is no number under 1. So here you can write directly. There is no number means you can think that is 0. 1 minus 0, you can get 1. So here also 10, here also 10. So this is borrowing method. This is direct method. See, I can explain next one. Listen carefully in two methods. See here, 13 minus 5. Actually, you can do direct means you can count 5 after up to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 3, 8. So you can do another method. See here, 13 minus 5. So this is ones place, this is tens place, you know everybody. See here, in ones place, this is the top of the digit and this is the bottom of the digit in ones place or ones column. See here, 3 minus 5, it is possible, not possible, because 3 is less than 5. While you are doing subtraction problem, the top of the number always greater than the bottom of the number. Above number is always greater than the below number. See here, 3 is less than 5. 3 అనేది 5 కంటే చిన్నది. What you have to do? You can take borrowing from tens place. ఎక్కడ నుండి తీసుకోవాలి బేటా borrow? Tens place కి తీసుకోవాలి. So tens place means here 1 is there. It can give borrow to ones place 10. 10 is added to 3. You can get 13. So 1 is giving borrow to this. It can last 1. 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. Here cut it and write down 0. Now tens place 13 and ones place 13 and tens place 0. Then you can do subtraction. See, 13 is greater than 5. How it is possible? So you can count 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 3, 8. Now we can write 8. See here, 0. 0, 8 means you can get 8. You can do like that the remaining problems. Next, solve the following 2-digit subtractions. This is very, very important. Listen carefully better. See here, solve the following 2-digit subtractions. Now first one is 43 minus 12. While we are doing subtraction problems, first we subtract ones place digits, right to left to. First we can do the digits in ones place. See here, 3 minus 2, this is ones place, this is tens place. 3 minus 2, so ones place column having 2 digits. So top of the ones column you can write 3 and the bottom of the ones column you can write 2. 3 is greater than 2. It is possible. 3 is greater than 2 means 3 minus 2. So this is a bigger number, this is smaller number, so you can do easily. So you can count 3 after, you can count 2 after 1 up to 3. So 2 after 1, 3. So you can write 1. Next we subtract the digits in tens place. 4 minus 1. You can count 1 after up to 4. 1 after means 2, 3, 4. Up to 4. So, what is this number? 4. So, 1 after 2, 3, 4. So, you can get 3. What is the difference beta? 31. Now, next 37 minus 25. See here, this is ones place, this is tens place. First, subtract the digits in ones place. See here, 7 minus 5, it is possible. Means 7 is a bigger number than 5. So 7 is greater than 5. So you can count 5 after up to 7. 5 after 6, 7. How many you can got? 2. Write down in one column. Next, we do the digits in tens place. We subtract the digits in tens place. 3 minus 2. 3 is greater than 2. So it is possible. 3 is bigger number than 2. So you can count 2 after up to 3, 1. 2 after 1, 3. See here, what is the difference beta? So you can count 2 after up to 3, 1. Okay, 1. So what is the difference? 12. Now next, here 51 minus 10. So this is ones place, this is tens place. First we subtract the digits in ones place. 1 minus 0. 0 is subtracted from any number, you can get the same number. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. 3 minus 0 is equals to 3. 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. 5 minus 0 is equals to 5, like that. So now you can write 1 minus 0, 1. Next, 5 minus 1. So 5 is greater than 1. It is also possible. So you can count 1 after up to 5. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can get 4. What is the difference? 41. Now next. 26 minus 14. This is ones place, this is tens place. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 4, it is also possible. You can count 4 after up to 6, 4 after 5, 6. So 2 write down in ones column. Next, we subtract the digits in tens place. 2 minus 1, what we get better? 1. So what is the difference? 12. So remaining problems you can do 8. Next, solve the following subtractions by borrowing. This is very, very important. See here, 45, 38. So this is ones, this is tens. So listen carefully. Subtract the digits in ones place first. So 5 minus 8. Possible? 5 is less than 8. So it is not possible. This is the smaller number, this is the bigger number. So what we have to do? Take borrowing from tens place. So here in tens place 4 is written. So here 4 is borrowing to 5. How much given? 10. So 10 is added to 5, you can get 15. Means 10 plus 5, 15. Now next 4 is borrowing to 5, it can last 1. Means 4 minus 1, you can get 3. Here what Nana? 3. Then you can subtract 8 from 15. 15 minus 8, you can count 8 after up to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can write 7. Now, next we subtract the digits in tens place. 3 minus 3, 3. What we get beta? 0. What is the difference? 7. Next here, 62 minus 36. See, first subtract the digits in one's place. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 6, it can give 10. 10 is added to 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 6, it can last 1. 6 minus 1, you can get 5. See here. Now, 12 minus 6. You can count 6 after up to 12, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we get better? 6. Next 5 minus 3. It is possible. 5 is greater than 3. So you can count after 3 up to 5, 3 after 4, 5. So you can get 2. So what is the difference? 26. Next 71 minus 43. First subtract the digits in one's place. So here 1, here 3. 1 is less than 3. Now take borrowing from 7. 7 is in tens place. It can give borrow to one's place digit, that is 1. 10 is added to 1. What we get better? 10 plus 1, 11. So 7 it can last 1. Here 7 minus 1, 6. Now 11 minus 3. You can count after 3 up to 11. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See once again. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we get better? 8. Next we subtract the digits in tens place. That is 6 minus 4. It is also possible. 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. So you can count 4 after up to 6, 5, 6. You can get to write down under tens place. That is difference is equals to 28. Now next 82 minus 75. See here. First subtract the digits in one's place. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Take borrowing from 8, it can give 10. 10 is added to 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 8 it can last 1. Here 7. 12 minus 5. You can count after 5 up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can get 7, write down under one's place. Next 7 minus 7, 0. What is the difference? 0, 7 means 7. So remaining problems you can do. Next, subtract the following 3 digits. Solve the following 3 digit subtractions. So 278 minus 154. 3 digit means 3 digit, it hides 3 places. So they are ones, tens, hundreds. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. So you can write here ones, tens, hundreds. First subtract the digits in ones place. 8 minus 4. So bigger number, this is the smaller number. So 8 is greater than 4. It is possible. 8 minus 4. You can count 4 after up to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get 4, write down under ones column. Next, subtract the digits in tens place. 7 minus 5. It is also possible. So 7 is a bigger number than 5. So you can count 5 after 6, 7. What we get better? 2. Write down under tens column. Next, 2 minus 1. You can get 1. Did you understand? So difference is equals to 124. Next, 476, 356. This is ones place, tens, hundreds. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 5. You can count 5 after up to 7. 5 after 6, 7. 2. Next, 4 minus 3, 1. So you can count 3 after 1, 4. Difference is equals to 120. Next, 697 minus 582. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 7 minus 2, it is possible. You can count 2 after up to 7, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can get 5, write down. Next, 9 minus 8, 1. 8 after you can count 1, that is equals to 9. Next, 6 minus 5 also. Now next, 868, 461. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. See here, 8 minus 1. 8 is greater than 1. First we subtract the digits in ones place, that is 8 minus 1. It is also possible. You can count 1 after up to 8. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can get 7, write down under ones place. Next, subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 6, you can get 0. Next, subtract the digits in hundreds place. 8 minus 4. 8 is greater than 4, it is possible. So you can count 4 after up to 8, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get 4. What is the difference? 407. Next one. 946, 735. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 5, it is possible. So 5 after you can count 1, you can get 6. 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. 3 after you can count 3 after 1, 4. 3 after 4. Next, 9 minus 7, 2. You can count 7 after up to 9, 7 after 8, 9. 2. So what is the difference? 211. Next, 946, 735. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 after I can count 8, 9. So what is the difference? 211. See now next, Try these 3-digit subtractions by borrowing. See here, 646 minus 229. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First, subtract the digits in ones place. See here, 6 minus 9, possible beta? Not possible. So 6 is less than 9. Take borrowing from 4, it can give 10. 10 is added to 6. 10 plus 6, you can get 16. So here 3. Here 16 minus 9, you can count after 9 to 16. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. So you can get 6, write down under ones column. Next, subtract the digits in tens place, that is 3 minus 2, that is possible. See, you can count 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7. Next, 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 2. Subtract the digits in hundreds place. This is the last column of the given number. So, here you can count 2 after up to 6, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. You can get 4. What is the difference? 470. Next, 384 minus 247. See, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So you can write the given numbers according to their places. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 4 minus 7, not possible. Take borrowing. I can say directly. Take borrowing, what beta? 10. 10 is added to 4. What we get? 10 plus 4, 14. So 8, it can last 1. So 8 minus 1, 7. See here, 14 minus 7. You can count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What we get beta? 7. Write down under ones place. Next, we subtract the digits in tens place. 7 minus 4. You can count 4 after 5, 6, 7. What we get beta? 3. Write down under tens place. Next, we subtract the digits in hundreds place. 3 minus 2. What we get? You can count 2 after 3. Only 1. Now next, 576, 327. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 7, it is not possible. 6 is less than 7, so take borrowing from 7. 7 is in tens place, it can give 10 to 6. 10 is added to 6, you can get 10 plus 6, 16. 7, it can last one. 7 minus 1, you can get 6. See, 16 minus 7. So you can count after 7 up to 16. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See here, once again. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What we get beta? 5 plus 4, 9. Next, subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 2. It is possible. 6 is greater than 2. You can count 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. Write down under tens place. Next, subtract the digits in hundreds place. 5 minus 3 is also possible because 5 is greater than 3. So you can count 3 after up to 5. 4, 5. So 2 write down and hundreds column. Next, 956 956 minus 458. First subtract the digits in ones place, that is 6 minus 8. It is possible beta? Not possible. See, take borrowing from 5, it can give 10, 10 is added to 6, 10 plus 6 is 16. So it can last here 4. See here. 16 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What we get beta? 8. Write down under one space. Next, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. See, 4 minus 5 is possible beta. 4 is less than 5. Not possible. Again take borrowing from 9. 9 is in hundreds place. It can give 10 to 4. So here 10. 10 plus 4. What we get beta? 10 plus 4, 14. Now 9 it can last one here 8. 14 minus 5. We can count 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What we get beta? 9. Next, 8 minus 4. What we get? 4. Difference is equals to 498. Now next, 894 608. First subtract the digits in ones place. 4 minus 8, it is not possible because 4 is less than 8. Take borrowing from 9, it can give 10. 10 is added to 4, you can get 14. So 9 it can last one here 8. Because 9 is giving borrow to 4, it can last one here 8. 14 minus 8. You can count 8 after up to 14, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Once again, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 5. 6. 5 fingers plus 1 finger, 6. Next, 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 6, you can get 2. Next, 781, 497. First subtract the digits in ones place. 1 minus 7 not possible. Take borrowing from 8, it can give 10. 10 is added to 1, you can get 11. Next, 8 it can last 1, here 7. 11 minus 7, 4. You can count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 write down under ones column. Next, subtract the digits in tens place. 7 minus 9, it is also not possible. Take borrowing from hundreds place digit, that is 7. 7 it can give 10. 10 is added to 7. 10 plus 7, 17. Next, it can last 1. 7 minus 1, you can get 6. 17 minus 9. You can count 9 after up to 17. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many beta? 5 plus 3, 8. Next, 6 minus 4. 4 after you can count 5, 6, 2. 284. Next, 891, 385. 891 minus 385. First subtract the digits in ones place. 1 minus 5. 1 is less than 5. It is not possible. Take borrowing from 9 it can give 10. 10 is added to 1. 10 plus 1 11. 9 it can last one here. 8 11 minus 5 6. Next 8 minus 8 0. 8 minus 3 5. What is the difference? 506. Next 436. 298. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 8. Not possible. Take borrowing from 3. It can give 10. 10 is added to 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Next 3 it can last one here 2. 16 minus 8 8. 2 minus 9 possible beta. Not possible. Take borrowing from 4. It can give 10. 10 is added to 2. 2 plus 10 12. So 4 it can last one here 3. 12 minus 9. 9 after you can count up to 12. 10, 11, 12, 3. Next 3 minus 2 you can get 1. What is the difference? 138. Okay, thank you everybody.